Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. In this quick video, we're going to learn how to export or save your edited videos from CapCut directly to your photo gallery. This method works for both iPhone and Android devices, so no matter which one you have, you're covered. Let's jump right in. First, let's open the CapCut editing app on your device. Alright, my edit is done, and now it's time to save it to the photo gallery. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see two different buttons. The first one is labeled with the resolution, like 1080p. Tap on this button, and you'll see a menu where you can select the resolution, frame rate, and bitrate for your video. The higher these settings, the better the quality of your video will be. Once you've set your desired quality, click on the Export button on the right. If you're using an older version of CapCut, you might see a little arrow instead. That's the one you want to click on. But what if you click on the Export button and you get a message on your screen that prevents you from saving the video? This usually means you've used a pro element, like a font, animation, transition, or other feature that is only available to CapCut Pro users. To fix this and save your video to the gallery for free, you need to remove any pro elements that you have selected. Once you've removed all pro elements from your video edit, tap on the Export option again, and your video will save to your camera roll without any issues. And that's it. Now you know how to save your edited videos from CapCut to your photo gallery on both iPhone and Android devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.